In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer satisfaction on Freshdesk. First things first, let's get you onto the Freshdesk platform. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Freshdesk website. Your next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the login button and when prompted, type in your email address. After you've entered your email, click Continue to move forward. This will take you into your Freshdesk dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's dive straight into setting up customer satisfaction surveys. Look for the admin option. This should be easily findable in the dashboard. Clicking on admin will take you to a new page where all administrative settings can be managed. Think of this area as the control room for customizing your Freshdesk experience. Inside the admin area, your next destination is workflows. Click on it. The workflow section is where you can streamline and automate a plethora of operations to make your team's life easier. But today we're focusing on one specific feature within workflows. Navigate to the option labeled Customer Satisfaction. This is where you'll configure how you measure the happiness and satisfaction of your customers. Clicking on it will take you closer to the goal. Finally, you're in the right place to activate the default survey. You'll see a toggle switch here. Simply click on the toggle for the default survey to turn it on. By enabling this, you automatically set up Freshdesk to send out a satisfaction survey to your customer at the end of a support interaction. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to gather feedback and improve your service continually. And just like that, you've set up customer satisfaction surveys on Freshdesk. It's a set it and forget it setup that will provide you with invaluable insights into your customer service quality. Remember, the feedback you receive is gold dust. It's what allows you to refine your operations and deliver an even better experience to your customers next time around. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Customer satisfaction is crucial, and by following these steps, you've laid down the foundation to measure, understand, and ultimately enhance how your customers feel about your service. Here's to many happy customers and continuous improvement on your customer service journey.